Experiment 26. Follow the bouncing ball. Tools needed from kit: 1 small test tube, your yellow measuring spoon, 1 beaker, glow-in-the-dark powder, which is bottle number 9, coloring agent, which is packet number 11, and this is optional, a few spoonfuls of salt. Directions: pour 20 ml of glue into the beaker. Next, for added excitement, add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of glow-in-the-dark powder to the glue mixture. Stir it up. Next, put 5 large scoopfuls of salt into the beaker and stir quickly. When white colored particles start to form, stop stirring. Get the solid mixture from the beaker out and try to form it into a ball. With your best ball, drop it or throw it against a flat surface. Does it bounce? Look at the ball in the dark. It glows in the dark. How cool is that? Let's see if our ball will bounce when we throw it in the sink.